Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Yes, I am very frustrated today. I just couldn't make anything happen at all. Like red trade again, behind red trade, behind red trade, behind red trade. Even though today there was a lot of opportunities to make good money. Like stocks weren't even going up 10, 20, 30 cents. They were going up 2, 3, 4, 5, $7 a share. Yes, that makes it riskier, but it wasn't even that stock that I ended up losing the majority of this money. Um, so, with that being said, guys, this is the side of trading that everybody has to go through. Doesn't happen just as a beginner, it happens later on in your career as well, and you have to be able to walk away, take a max loss of $2,000, and call it a day instead of trying to get it back and then creating this a 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, $10,000 loss, right? So, that's how the market is. That's how day trading goes. So just learn from it and be disciplined. But with that being said, let's go over to my trades and show you all the red trades and money that I lost. All right. So first off, here is PLRX. Everybody's gonna see the stock, and everybody's gonna be green on the stock besides me. Negative $95 on it. I actually don't think I traded this one bad. I took one red trade on this one, suffered badly, and then remade all of that to get back to break even of $95. But first trade on this one instantly went down 500 and something dollars, which was this first one right here. After a halt, tried buying dip. I don't know if I got filled high or not. I don't remember. Trying to look for that next momentum back through 20, hold 20, and then maybe see if this one wants to keep rallying. Bought in at 19.3, so somewhere up here into the up here 19.20. It looks like I sold at 18.2, so I lost 500 shares, lost $1 a share, so $500 right there. Um, and that was my first trade here. I don't think that was my first trade overall. I don't remember. Maybe it was. Missed all of this move. Didn't want to chase it right out of the open, but I let it go. So I lost $550 on that trade, I believe, or maybe it was 400 and something, close to 500. And then I spent this whole move up with 500 shares, reclaim it all, and actually down to $95 profit. So I was able to make $400, 450 by actively trading it, even though I lost 500 right away on that first trade. Next stock was not TH. Oh, actually, wait. Why isn't it showing my profit on this one? Oh, that was yesterday. I was like, yeah, I didn't trade this one today. Okay. TBLT. I believe this one might have been my first. Nope, it was around the same time, I guess. Or actually, this was my first trade because the PLRX was a halt, so that means that that first candle that I traded on PLRX was not the 3rd minute open. This was 8:36, and TBLT I traded it earlier because I knew I was already down big on another stock. So yeah, I traded this one at 8:34, so 2 minutes before. So what happened on this one? Kind of opens and stays within range. Pulls up one candle, two candles, holding VWAP. It came back down to VWAP, and I was like, I'm gonna take a stab here at VWAP. So I bought in at 282. So down here, I guess I bought higher than I thought, or maybe I was looking for this pivot here to hold. Yeah, I was looking for this pivot here to hold. So 282, I bought. I mean, right at the support. 282 is that pivot, and I bought at 282.9. 5,000 shares instantly the second I buy, flush down. I waited for that pop back up a little bit to recover and to sell on that one. So that was one red trade. Here again, attempt to reclaim VWAP, rejected. Attempt to reclaim VWAP, closed above it, got it. I jumped in there at 276, so right at VWAP. The second I buy, instant flush all the way down. Closed it out at 268. So I mean, I sold the bottom of the candle there. Tried it again. PLRX is shooting an alert. PLRX has been trying to get $20 this whole time, all day long. It might be a good for power hour, but I'm going to leave it alone for now. So tried it again, reclaimed VWAP, closed above it, very strong candle, wait for that pullback. 278 is my entry. Again, a very nice pullback, and it looks like I got at 278.30, so that one looks like a break-even trade. I think the majority of this loss was in here. That right there itself was about $500 loss there. And then after that, I went to PLRX, lost 500, remade all of that at least. This was just now earlier, later in the day where I tried remaking some, but looks like scratch trades. I don't quite remember. Then after that, I went to VLCN. I mean, stupid stock again, same thing. This is a trade that's really upsetting me. So break of downtrend right here. Break of downtrend. Highs is 2-3, so I'm thinking 2-4-3-2-5 is possible. We break this downtrend. We consolidated over VWAP for 1, 2, 3, 4, even a below break, recovered it. 5 candles over VWAP, over the 9 EMA, low volume. Once this green volume comes out, strong volume, breaking out of downtrend, highs just above here. I buy that candle there, and then I re-add it to that micro pullback. Next 1 minute pullback here, I bought at 218. So I re-added there, and I mean, the second I bought, instant flush, instant flush. I bought there, down 18 cents right there. No, bought at 218, it sold at 29. Instant 9 cents, 7 cents, almost 10 cents loss. There I lost about $600. I came back and tried it again at this pivot here of 208, nothing there, and then of course, I mean, it makes the miraculous move of all day grinding, slowly moving up, right? Maybe this could have been the trades here. That looks like a nice opening up of that stock, but I mean, same there, and I just didn't trade my best today, and I mean I paid the price for it, but it just seems like I haven't been trading my best for the last 2 or 3 weeks. But that's not it. That's not it. I have another bigger loss, guys. So don't leave yet. Right here, $900 loss. Like, you guys can see my frustration. You guys can see my frustration here. Again, I mean, same exact same thing. This, I like to look at these stocks when they do move this of kind of like, yeah, you're rallying, yeah, you're grinding, but I mean, this is low volume, right? I'm not really paying attention to you, and most people aren't really paying attention to you. So when they do start paying attention is when that volume comes in and goes from $4 all the way to 5. Very nice move, very nice clean. First time over 5, close about as high as possible. That candle close at its highest, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to take a stab at a $5 whole number retest bounce back up to 5.50, 5 maybe $6 as possible. So I buy in at 4.99. Perfect entry. I'm looking at $5. I got filled with 3,000 shares for 4.99. And you guys know what happened. The second I buy, instant flush to 4.73. This one I think it looks like I was patient on it, so I waited this 1 minute candle, and then I was able to exit on this red one here at 473. So I didn't sell the very bottom, but I mean, it's just frustrating. So, and then this one I missed all of this move. This is about the cleanest move you could have ever asked for, but I was already at max loss, and I said, you know what? I need to stop. I'm going to stop. I'm not gonna trade anymore, so I'm gonna let this go. I went, sat in my living room, ate, dealt with the dogs, all that stuff, and then break of downtrend. You average in here or there, nice squeeze, right? Same thing here. Break of downtrend. You average in here, squeeze. Same thing. Break of downtrend. You average in here, squeeze. I can do it again. Same of down, break of downtrend. You average in here, squeeze. I mean, that would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green trades back to back, but the one that I jump in failed, and same thing with the other break of downtrends that I took. VLCN. Was it this one? Yeah, right here. Break a downtrend, add in, flush. I mean, it was very frustrating today. And I think that was my last trade. This stock was my last trade to my last stock to trade. After that, I mean, I tried it up here, break it of 7, hold of 7. So I was trying to break of 7, hold of 7, break of 7, hold of 7, next leg up. And then here, I guess I might have gone one more in here, break of downtrend right there. And it looks like this time I tried it and I was able to make some profit there. But I mean, nothing compared to the squeeze that that I would have been averaging in here. And also, if you were to look at the 5 minute on this stock, I mean, you could see that $5 was the perfect place to add and hold the stock. So all of this range right here, that's where you should be accumulating shares and then wait for that big pop all the way up. So that's it for me today, guys. Max loss, terrible trading. It just seems like the last 2 or 3 weeks it's been like this for me at least. Maybe I just need to downsize and wait for this whole market. Maybe I just need to not trade until the end of the year. Maybe something, right? Maybe I just gotta change my whole trading style. Maybe I gotta change large stocks instead of these penny stocks, as nothing seems to be working. But I'll see how the next couple of days go, next couple of weeks. If it's continuing to be like this, then obviously I need to make some tweaks, which is part of day trading. It's not a one strategy going to work for 20 years. You always have to be changing stuff. So, with that being said, guys, this is the end of this recap. Terrible way to start the week, but I will see you guys tomorrow on the live stream or on tomorrow's recap. So, y'all have a good rest of your day.